Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am come up with mutton roast masala. Okay, mutton roast masala. So for that I have taken half and half, like it is 1.5 kg of mutton, that is lamb, because in Bangalore I was very very happy to get this lamb. So it is 1.5 kg lamb meat, that is mutton. So in that half proportion is boneless, and I have taken little bit of bone. So this is 1.5 kg in total, and I have marinated and kept it overnight with ginger garlic paste. So I have taken 2 tablespoons of ginger and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 2 lime juice, salt to taste, applied it and kept it overnight. I have not used vinegar in this. Okay. Now this is roast masala. So there are 2 masalas. Masalas means now I will fry this mutton with 2 medium size onions, then around 1, 2, 3, 6 Kashmiri chilies, 4 Degi chilies. This is 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of this cinnamon stick, 20 peppercorns and 10 cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Okay, so this is, and 2 pods of garlic, which is going to go full into the tadka. So this is for tadka. Then for the grinding, a little bit, like 1 big tablespoon of coriander seed and 1 teaspoon of mint leaves, that is pudina. Then I have taken around 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, which is going to grind. I have taken around 16 of peppercorns and 8 of cloves. This is a small 2 sticks of cinnamon, 1 pod of garlic, 2 onion, 1 green chili and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 2 of cardamoms. So this is all going to go for grinding. Okay, this is for tadka. So you can count also here. Okay, so let's start. Now I will be cooking my first I will be cooking the mutton in pressure cooker, then followed by the other thing. So let's start. So I have taken around 3 tablespoons of oil, because it is 1.5 kg, and now I will just put the whole masala into this. So onion, chilies, garlic, then here comes our peppercorn and cloves, then comes our cumin seeds, then comes the cinnamon stick and the turmeric. And fry this for a few seconds. And we have to give around 6 whistles for our mutton. Now if you don't want well done cook, then 4 whistles. Like some people don't like well done meat, and we prefer well done meat. so I can get the aroma. And now I will add my meat to this. So here I am adding the meat to this with the juice of ginger garlic. And I'll mix this nicely. And we'll add very little water to this because itself it will have water. So I will add around 2 cups of water into this. So here comes. I'll put 1.5. Cover this and we will leave this for 6 whistles. So let this now get cooked for 6 whistles. High flame. Today it is very breezy over here. And till then we will grind our masala. So now I will add the onions to the chutney grinder or mixer grinder and the whole garlic also. Then we'll add coriander leaves, some mint leaves which I have told you at the beginning, then our chili, cinnamon stick, peppercorn, cardamom stew, cumin seeds, coriander and peppercorn. Let this all go and we will add our these chilies also. We will add some water to this and we have to grind. So now I will grind this to fine paste. ready. Masala is ready. Fine paste. In between I have not shown you, I showed you second and now this is the fifth one. I am waiting for another one. This is the sixth one. So now I will put off the gas and let that cool down in the room temperature. When the city like it's easy to open, that time we will open. Okay. So here I put off the gas. So now here I am going to this is like optional, like frying 2 onions. I just love this whole onion fried, but you can chop it. So I need little bit of oil to fry my onions. Around 2 teaspoons of oil. And this is our masala. And this is the cooked mutton. So now if like how I showed you in pork and beef, if you keep this on the gas stove and dry this same gravy, then it becomes normal pork roast. But I am making pork roast, I am making today mutton roast masala. So if you want to, you can just keep this cooker on the gas and let it be there on the gas till the water dries, and the mutton, when the water itself gets dried up, that means your mutton is ready and you can have it with bread or something like that. That is plain mutton roast. Okay. Now this is extra mutton roast masala. So that's why this masala we are going to add.
Sandwich is ready.
You are good. Good. So here it is. Now it is nicely fried. Now we will add our mutton, the cooked mutton, to this. Check the salt. No adding water. Okay. Here. And this is the broth actually. If you want to make pulao out of this, you can directly add rice to this and give 1 sitting, and your yakni mutton pulao is ready, which my recipe is already there on my YouTube channel. So now let's add this. So I am adding this with everything, okay? Like the garlic, whole garlic, the mutton pieces, the chili, everything should go with the masala. Please note that I have not used vinegar to this, but I have used lime juice to mutton. But if you want, you can use vinegar also. Mix this all very nicely. The mutton is already cooked. We have to only thicken the gravy, like dry, like how it be mutton roast masala, that way we want. So I will use this balanced broth and cook on high flame. I will check the salt and I will add accordingly. So I need little bit of salt, so I will add salt to this. And mix this and let it get cooked. Don't cover this because we want to dry and let the gravy be thick. Now if you want to have it like this and eat it with rice, it's okay, but I want it like to be dry. So here it is, still getting. So here it is nicely, and you can see the oil which is on top. So if anybody wants a gravy, yes, you can always keep this gravy for your pulao and rice and enjoy your roast, and then just enjoy this. So here it is become more thin now, thick, very thick. And here is, it's very thick, if you can see. And my mutton roast masala is ready. I will still wait for 5 minutes and reduce this, but this stage actually it is done. And if you can see this garlic, you know, it's so yum to have this cooked garlic, fried garlic with the meat and this onion especially. So hope you all will enjoy this recipe, and enjoy this recipe with bread or pulao or rice or anything. Thank you so much.